Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Outlook data files using Windows Backups, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore Outlook data files using Windows Backups, begin by ensuring that your Windows Backup is active and up to date. First, open the control panel on your Windows computer. In the control panel, locate and click on System and Security. Next, find and select Backup and Restore. You will be prompted to choose the files you want to restore. Click on Browse for files if you know the specific location of your Outlook data files. Alternatively, select Browse for folders to find the backup folder containing your Outlook data. Navigate through your backup files and locate the folder where your Outlook files are stored. Select the Outlook data files, typically with a .pst or .ost extension. Once you've selected the files, click on Add Files to include them in the restore list. After adding the files, click Next to continue with the restoration process. Review your selections carefully. Now, choose the destination where you want to restore the files. It is recommended to restore them to their original location unless you have a different preference. Click Restore to start the process. Wait for the restoration process to complete. This may take some time depending on the file size. Once completed, a confirmation message will appear indicating the success of the restoration. Open Outlook to verify that your data files have been restored successfully. Check your emails, contacts, and any other data to ensure everything is intact. If the files do not appear, consider restarting Outlook or your computer. For issues during the restoration, refer to the Windows Backup documentation for troubleshooting steps. With these steps, you have successfully restored your Outlook data files using Windows Backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.